بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله وبه نستعين ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الأمين وعلى آله وصحبه الطاهرين الطيبين أما بعد. His Highness Sayyid As'ad bin Tariq As-Sa'id, the official representative of His Majesty the Sultan of Oman, the guest of honor, His Excellency Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, the former Prime Minister of Malaysia, Your Excellencies, Ambassadors, distinguished speakers and participants, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the organizers, Amani Advisory House of Oman, Amani Nexus of Kuala Lumpur, I would like to take this opportunity to warmly welcome you to the first International Islamic Finance Forum, or simply MIF 2012. Indeed, we are very honored for His Highness' gracious participation in MIF 2012. We are also grateful to His Excellency to Dr. Mahathir Mohamad for being with us in MIF 2012 to address all of us and enlighten us on many aspects of Islamic finance and how they relate to the many current challenges faced by the nation across the globe. We are looking forward to listening to Dr. Mahathir's speech to stimulate further the advancement of Islamic finance in an environment characterized by the difficult times faced by the Western-based financial system and practices. Today, many markets have opened their doors to Islamic finance, seeking greater access to capital, as well as a more transparent and principled approach to financial dealing. The Sultanate of Oman has reacted to this phenomenon positively, and as we convene today, we see new banks forming with the intention to structure their transaction according to the principle of Islamic finance. It is for this reason, and many more reasons, that our firm, Amani Advisors, has established our office in Oman this year to work with the many bankers, project managers, and asset managers to accommodate Islamic finance in their work, and ideally to attract additional capital from the wider region. Having offices in 9 cities of the world, both in Islamic and non-Islamic world, we at Amani aspire to be the bridge for better connectivity between capital partners, technology partners, and perhaps new markets, all working for common benefits and all being based on the highest standard of Sharia principle. For the next 2 days, I also encourage all participants to actively engage in the session. To that end, we have purposely scheduled many interactive panel discussions, as we believe that this is the best way for the industry to share knowledge and perspective. Before I close my welcoming remarks, let me take this opportunity again to put on record our gratitude and thanks to His Highness Sayyid As'ad bin Tariq As-Sa'id, the official representative of His Majesty the Sultan of Oman, as well as our esteemed Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, the former Prime Minister from my native Malaysia, who is one of the great minds and leaders in both nation building and international issue advocacy. Additionally, I wish to thank our many sponsors, most especially our host Mithaq, the Islamic Banking Division of Bank Muscat, and Ahli Bank Al Hilal for their generous support, without which we could not have arranged this forum on such an impactful level. We are also pleased to thank our other sponsors, partners, as well as the Office of the Malaysian Embassy in Muscat for their support, cooperation, and assistance. We wish everyone an informative and stimulating event in the next 2 days in this beautiful and inspiring city of Muscat. Thank you very much.